Now, yesterday, the shares of Sofi Technologies closed trading around $9.01. Now, you remember that Sofi Technologies is one of the stocks that we discussed a lot on this channel, as it is one of the stocks with great fundamentals and good future prospects. This is a stock which is just set to do very well. Now, on today's video, we'll be covering some of the latest developments or latest news surrounding or around this Sofi Technology stock. So if you enjoy the content that I'll be giving you about this stock, please don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, or even subscribe. That's if, of course, if you have not subscribed to the channel already, and hit that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a new video. Now, without a waste of time, the latest news regarding Sofi Technologies is that Sofi has now sent a letter yesterday about the student loan hold. Now, you remember that, as I've said the last time I was covering Sofi Technologies, so many private lenders, including Sofi, have been complaining, saying that this hold or the pause of student loan repayment, which started around May of 2020, are seriously distressing these companies, which is something, or which is why they are writing, or they are taking this content to the government or to the US government, indicating that they put this hold or repayment hold to an end so that they can resume, so that they can continue generating some good revenues. Now, Sofi Technologies, you'll remember that in that previous video I did indicate to you to say that these, or because of these holds on student loan repayments, Sofi Technologies predicts that for this Q1 of 2022, they will lose revenues of between $20 to $25 million. Now, this just has to show you of how serious this matter or how bad this student loan repayment hold is impacting stocks like Sofi Technologies. This is not good at all. But the good thing is that when you look at a company like Sofi Technologies, you will remember that this is a company that is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital banking. So they don't, fortunate enough, they don't make their revenues or all their revenues from student loans, but they have got other streams where they generate their revenue, which is something that makes me to believe that this student loan issue is something that, of course, it is affecting their revenues, but Sofi Technologies is a stock which will do well, probably regardless of this, though I am anticipating and hoping that this issue which these private lenders, including Sofi, are raising, the government can attend to. Now, of course, Sofi Technologies, you'll remember that for the year 2022, there are some analysts that believe that this stock will generate total revenues of around $1.5 billion, which is something that is truly amazing, because this will just definitely mean that Sofi Technologies will be, or we can see Sofi Technologies growing in terms of revenue by around 50% when comparing to the total revenues they generate in 2019. This is something that is good, or this is a good signal. And now Sofi Technologies, you already know that right now they've got a banking charter which enables them to reach out even more consumers or more customers into coming and join this Sofi Technologies family, which is something that is truly amazing. And with the recent transactions like Technisys, you will remember that that transaction or that acquisition of them buying or going for Technisys enables, or we are going to see it bring Sofi Technologies around $800 million in the next coming 3 years. I mean, with Technisys, users or Sofi users can now move pieces and systems under one or under the same core, which is something that is truly amazing. I mean, it will also help Sofi to own credit card offering and loan as a service or loans as a service in-house, which is something that is truly amazing. And the good thing is that this not only is happening to the current systems or to the current services that Sofi is offering, but it also going to help Sofi in the future products and services which they will offer in this one system. So Technisys, it is one of that acquisitions that will seriously help Sofi, not just now but even in the years to come, which is something that is truly amazing. Now, of course, one of the good things about Sofi Technologies is that though the stock is trading this low, I mean towards their 52 week low of below $8. This is a stock which is just said to do very well, and one of the things that I believe it has to motivate you to probably continue going for SoFi Technologies or investing into SoFi is for a fact that insiders are buying this stock, or they are buying their SoFi stock, which is something that is truly amazing. I mean, a few weeks ago we saw the CEO buying his own stock, or buying this SoFi Technology stock, which is something that is truly amazing, and the insiders are also buying these SoFi Technology stocks. And you remember that at the end of the Q4 of 2021, insiders owned around 35% of the SoFi Technology stock, which is something that is truly amazing. Now, as I'm saying, the fact that we are seeing insiders buying this or their own stock, which is SoFi Technologies, is something that as an investor, it must definitely just motivate you to probably do the same, or probably hold this stock for a longer term, because they are the ones that knows the future plans of SoFi Technologies. They are the ones that know the future prospects, or what SoFi will do next from here, which is something that is truly amazing. And it is the one good reason why I'm telling you that it is good that you probably do the same, because they know much more than us. They know their future plans and we don't know, which is something that I think we just have to trust the fact that they are buying their own stock and probably do the same. Otherwise, SoFi Technologies is a stock that I'm going to continue to remain bullish, because it is just said to do very well. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.